Pickle, a dynamically parameterized subclass. I have a system which commonly stores pickled class types. I want to be able to save dynamically parameterized classes in the same way, but I can't because I get a pickling error on trying to pickle a class which is not globally found, not defined in simple code. My problem can be modeled as the following example code. When I try to pickle the class, I get the following error. I am looking for some method to declare base as a parameterizable base class which should define the params needed, param in above example. A dynamic parameterized subclass, CLS above, should then be pickleable by saving the parameterizable base class type and the different param values, dynamic param underscore value above. I am sure that in many cases, this can be avoided altogether. And I can avoid this in my code as well if I really have to. I was playing with underscore metaclass underscore, copyreg and even, underscore built-in underscore dot issue class, at some point, don't ask, but was unable to crack this one. I feel like I wouldn't be true to the Python spirit if I wasn't to ask, how can this be achieved, in a relatively clean way?
Yes, it is possible. Whenever you want to custom the pickle and unpickle behaviors for your objects, you just have to set the underscore getState underscore and underscore setState underscore methods on the class itself. In this case it is a bit trickier. There need, as you observed, to exist a class on the global namespace that is the class of the currently being pickled object. It has to be the same class, with the same name. Okay, the deal is that these class existing in the global namespace can be created at pickle time. At unpickle time the class, with the same name, have to exist, but it does not have to be the same object, just behave like it does, and as underscore setState underscore is called in the unpickling process, it can recreate the parameterized class of the original object, and set its own class to be that one, by setting the underscore class underscore attribute of the object. Setting the underscore class underscore attribute of an object may seem objectionable, but it is how OO works in Python and it is officially documented. It even works across implementations. I tested this snippet in both Python 2.6 and PyPy.
I know this is a very old question, but I think it is worth sharing a better means of pickling the parameterized classes than the one that is the currently accepted solution, making the parameterized class a global. Using the underscore reduce underscore method, we can provide a callable which will return an uninitialized instance of our desired class. It is worth reading the _reduce_docs a couple of times to see exactly what is going on here. Hope somebody finds this useful.
I guess it's too late now, but Pickle is a module I'd rather avoid for anything complex, because it has problems like this one and many more. Anyways, since Pickle wants the class in a global, it can have it. But yeah, you're probably overcomplicating things.
Classes that are not created in the top level of a module cannot be pickled, as shown in the Python documentation. Furthermore, even for an instance of a top-level module class, the class attributes are not stored. So in your example, param wouldn't be stored anyway. Explained in the Python documentation section linked above as well.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.